Gagawin natin ngayon, ilalagyan natin ng anti-fungal. Hindi yung beer ha. So anti-fungal yung ating mga itlog. Kanina yung boob egg ko, I put anti-fungal and coated with some gel. So ganito yan. So ito ginamit ko, Elmer's glue, and then put it and then make a mixture. After making a mixture, you apply it to the part of the egg that you think there is a mold formation. Why is that so? It's because for the egg to survive. And so as you can see here, I think this egg is going 3 weeks na, 2 weeks, going 2 weeks na. So yan, I'm just checking whether the eggs are okay. At the same time, there are no molds forming. No molds forming. Yan. Kasi pag may molds na nag-form, yari tayo. Finish na. So yan, I'm just coating them. Actually, I have 3 egg in my first clutch. So I hope you learn something. Yan. Coat it. Coating lang natin sila. Then if you want to see the handling part of this, wait lang. Okay. This is a hobby talaga. Ang kulit. Ganda. Ito ha. Mixed with this one. You can buy this in Shopee or even Lazada. This is the brand. Kasi ibang mga video sa YouTube hindi pinakita paano nga ba how to treat molded or soon to be eggs that will have mold, and then mix yan. Then you will be having a mixture and then apply it to the part of the egg that you think has molds. Yan. Okay. So I'm gonna let you see the handling part of the egg. Wait. And as you can see here, there are veins. Yeah. And then this one also have veins as well. So I hope you learn something from taking care of the eggs, especially if they will be having molds or mold formation. I hope you learn, and please like this video and comment your experience and how you take care of the eggs or eggs that are molded or having molds already.